Hello and welcome to Stoke Audi. My name is Ben and today I'll be showing you around this brand new Audi Q8 3-litre 50 TDI V6 in the S-Line trim with the Tiptronic automatic gearbox and the quattro all-wheel drive system. This particular Q8 is finished in the stunning Mythos Black Metallic paint, giving this car a real nice executive look. Coming to the front of the vehicle, we do have this car's HD matrix LED headlights, which do contain the front and rear dynamic indicators, as well as the daytime running lights. As you can see just below, we have the headlight washer systems, keeping the beams nice and bright for the driver to be able to see in darker road conditions. Coming round to the side, we do have this car's 21-inch 5 V-spoke design alloy wheels, giving this car some real nice presence on the road. Taking a nice side profile look of this Audi Q8, I will give you some more information on the engine. It is the 3-litre V6 diesel engine with the quattro four-wheel drive system and produces 286 PS. Great for those motorway journeys, this car does reach up to 34 miles to the gallon. Taking a closer look at the side, we can see the chrome trim around the windows, as well as the rear privacy glass blocking out some of that harsh sunlight for the rear passengers. To the rear we have the rear tail lights, which do feature the dynamic indicators. And to the rear we also have the rear parking sensors, which work seamlessly with this car's camera system, which we'll take a look at later. Opening the rear tailgate does reveal the 605 litres of boot space. To put that into some context, it's enough to carry approximately 15 carry-on suitcases. As you can see, taking a closer look inside, we do have some electronic adjustment controls for the rear seats, which do all fold separately to create a nice through load space for larger or longer items. There is some space under the false floor for storing some personal items as well. While the rear scuff plate to the back does allow you to protect the rear of the vehicle when sliding larger or longer items inside. Once you're done filling up the boot space, a simple push of this button here will close the rear tailgate automatically for you. Upon opening the driver's side door, you're greeted with this car's premium interior. The front seats are really comfortable and supportive, and in this car are finished in the Valcona leather material. We also have the embossed S logos just below the head restraint. Helping the driver to find that perfect driving position are the electronic adjustment controls in the seats, as well as the controls for these seats' four-way lumbar support. This gives the driver plenty of customization in the seat's positioning. Part of the comfort and sound package of this car is the Bang & Olufsen sound system. This offers some really nice premium audio quality in the cabin of this vehicle and is great for when you want to stream your tracks or gives crisp, clear voices when you're listening to your podcasts. From the driver's perspective, we can see this car's full leather perforated multifunction steering wheel, which does contain the controls for the multimedia systems. We have the cruise control stalk, which is perfect for those longer motorway journeys, giving the driver's foot a rest from the accelerator pedal. And we have the paddle shifters, giving the driver a sportier feel behind the wheel. This Q8 does also feature Audi's virtual cockpit display. This allows the driver to customize what is shown on the screen using the buttons located on the steering wheel. And as you can see, you can get things like a nice wide view of the satellite navigation system, change the radio station, or view a range of car information and settings. Moving over to this car's multimedia display with haptic touch feedback, we can select from options like the DAB radio with a great choice of radio stations. We have the full satellite navigation system with multi-touch and gesture controls to easily navigate around the map system. We have mobile phone connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror your phone's screen onto the display and gives you access to a range of your phone's applications as well as those hands-free calls. Coming into the car's menu, we can select the Audi Drive Select system. This being a quattro model, we do get the off-road and all-road settings, as well as efficient, comfort, auto, dynamic, and individual driving styles. As you can see, we can also change more positioning for the two front seats, allowing the driver and front passenger to get really nice and comfortable. This Q8 does also come with the extended interior lighting package. You can choose from a few different preset settings, or clicking into individual will allow you to customize the colours to your personal preference. As you can see, there are plenty of colours to choose from for the interior, and these give a real nice dynamic look to the interior of the vehicle when driving in dark conditions at night. Coming further down, we have the touch screen for the climate control settings. The touch buttons displayed on the screen make it really nice and easy to change things like the in-car temperature, as well as things like the fan's intensity and the fan direction. Just located to the bottom of the screen are the touch controls for the two front heated seats. These are perfect for when those cold British mornings start to creep in again, and can be easily changed by pressing them multiple times. The audio control dial on this vehicle does allow you to change volume and track without needing to take your eyes off the road. Pushing this button here or putting the car into reverse will automatically activate those front and rear parking sensors, as well as this car's fantastic 360 camera system. You can press around the vehicle on screen to get the view from that specific camera, and as you can see, the orange lines displayed do give an indication of where the car will end up when turning the wheel. Pressing the 3D mode does also give you a full 3D view and a 360 view around the vehicle. This is perfect for if you haven't had a car of this size before, and makes parking really nice and easy. We do have the contrasting black engine stop-start button. This car's automatic Tiptronic gearbox, which does have the electronic parking brake. And under this little cubby hole here, we do have two cup holders for keeping those drinks nice and secure, as well as a 12-volt power socket. Located under the front armrest, there is the Audi phone box. This contains a wireless phone charger with signal booster, as well as two USB-C ports. These are perfect for keeping those media devices nice and charged. To the rear of the vehicle, the seats are finished in the same premium Valcona leather as the front, and do feature the child ISOFIX points for easily and safely installing a child car seat. The rear passengers do also benefit from a central armrest, which does contain the easy to fold away cup holders. This armrest can be easily folded away should you need the middle rear seat for an extra passenger. Also to the back there are two 12-volt power sockets, which are perfect for keeping those kids' devices nice and charged on those longer journeys. So thank you for coming on a tour of this brand new Audi Q8. If you would like any more information on this vehicle, please don't hesitate to give our team a call on 01782 488 205. Thank you.